Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try a product I've never tried, a brand I have, but the product I haven't. And what I'm trying to see is if this product is full bottle worthy. That's right. I just have a sample here. But you know what? I want to see what this African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturizing Define Curling Cream can do for my hair. So if you want to see what happens here, make sure, before we even begin, make sure you take a moment to subscribe. Now, I know some of y'all been watching and you just forgot to hit that subscribe button. That's okay. That's okay. Go ahead and do that. Just get that out the way, okay? And make sure you click that notification bell for all of everything that I post here on YouTube, okay? I don't want you to miss nothing, okay? Give this video a thumbs up for me trying something new and leave me a comment. Okay. So what I have here is just a little sample, and I forgot what I got this from. All I know is I've had this for at least a couple of years, okay? And this is just about 1 ounce. Now you may be wondering, girl, you have more hair than what 1 ounce can really do for you, but that's not the point. The point is I get an idea of what it can do for me, and then maybe go ahead and try a full bottle. This particular product here has no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no petroleum. And the directions say, section hair, apply a small amount to hands, rub together, work product into dry or damp hair, do not rinse, style as desired, perfect for twist outs, braid outs, finger coils, rod sets, and wash goes. I'm sure it just looks like a cream, but hey. Okay. I don't know if you can see that a little bit right there, but we have a cream. Clearly a cream. It smells like this. No heavy perfumes or anything in this, so I like that. It has a little bit of stickiness to it, just a little bit, and I believe that's because of the flaxseed oil. So what I'm gonna do, here's my hair. I washed it 2 days ago, didn't do anything to it. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in it, just a little bit. So since I only have a little bit of this, I'm gonna break this into 4 sections as well. So we're going to use about this much on each section. Feels nice and creamy. And I'm going to work that in the best I can. Give it a little bit more water to help that spread out a little bit. And comb it through. So my hair feels soft, doesn't feel oily, Like I said, there's a little bit of stickiness. But you know what? Let's just see what this little bit does for my hair. Now, you know I should have way more than this, but I'm just trying to see. So let's, yeah, we'll do like a right now. Okay, so 1 down and 3 more to go. Here we go with about the same amount again. Okay, so that's 2 braids, 2 more to go. I'm gonna let that fully dry, take it down. We're gonna see what happens. Okay, so now it's the next day. I just let it air dry. Let's see how this turned out. At first I had a satin scarf on my head, and then the rest of the night I just let it be free and slept on my satin pillowcase. I think that looks all right so far. What y'all think? Thumbs up worthy? I think so. My hair is soft. You know, it's moisturized. I think it would be more moisturized if I used the proper amount of product. But my hair is definitely soft. Still has movement to it. And it did help define the texture. And you see how rough I was taking it down. So I don't really care about frizz. That doesn't bother me whatsoever. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. being so rough with this, but you know, I want this to be fluffy. Yeah, I totally messed up this side. Okay, I can feel already that this back portion here is where, from what I can remember, I used the most of the product. You know, I try to split this into 4 parts evenly, but I know that a little bit more was back here. So I think if my hair would have been completely wet, obviously the definition would be more. This was more of a dry braid out and a super fluffy, because as you can see, I only had 4 French braids. So in my opinion, so far, is it full bottle worthy? I think so. And the final look, nice, fluffy. I still have body. I have some definition. I do have moisture. My hair is not sticky. It wasn't flaky, nothing. I would say this is full bottle worthy. Let me know what you think, roses. Give your opinion if you think it's full bottle worthy, or if you tried this product. Let me know down in the comments. I know this brand is pretty affordable, so you may have to get that product and something else from this line. So let me know if there's anything else from the African Pride Moisture Miracle line that you want me to try. Let me know if you're interested in this series I'm trying, because I do have a fair number of samples, and I'm thinking let's do a series on, is it full bottle worthy? So let me know what you think about that in the comments as well, okay? But I like it. It's probably gonna go up in a puff, but I like it. It's nice and fluffy, and if you like froze as much as I do, and you don't want your hair all greasy and whatever, you like this too. So anyway, other than that, if you haven't had a moment, I mean at the beginning when I asked y'all to subscribe, if you haven't already subscribed, if you weren't really listening at that time, hear me now. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe, because I feel like you're gonna come back to my channel, okay? Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for another natural hairstyle, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.